Welcome back to this tutorial. Today you will learn about how to change the chat theme on WhatsApp. Customizing the chat background can improve your experience of changing messages and add a personal touch to your conversations. So, let's get started. Launch the WhatsApp application on your smart device and make sure you are logged into your account. Opening WhatsApp on the home page in the upper right corner of the screen, you can see 3 dots that you will click on. When a small window opens, scroll down to the Settings option and click on it. By clicking on the Settings option, a new page will open with a drop-down menu where you will look for the Chat option and then click on it. The application will open the following page with a drop-down menu where you will scroll down to the option, Default Chat Theme, and click on it. And as you can see here, you have several themes offered. It's up to you which of these themes you want to apply in your chat with someone. Just click on it. But before applying it, the application will redirect you to a new page where you will be able to visually see how the chat looks. If you want to apply it, if you like it, just click on the confirmation in the upper right corner of the screen. And then when a small window appears, click on Set Theme. And that's it. You have successfully changed the chat theme on WhatsApp. If you want to check if the change has occurred, just enter any chat. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and follow us for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.